In this presentation, I'm going to demonstrate the power and flexibility of the PipeFitter, a patented device designed specifically to join large diameter PVC pipe. You pick the male end up after already fastening the female end and attach it to the PipeFitter. You'll notice that it gives us enough ground clearance that we can put glue and primer on the outside without contaminating the liquid or the pipe. And then effortlessly move two pipes to a union, and then powerfully bring it together to form a fully seated couple.